Jersey is, he's a standard bred. He's only been with us a short period of time. He was a direct to ship from the KILLPEN. He is 16 now. He was nothing but bone. Very difficult time walking, especially with his hind end.
Okay. John, you ready? Okay, good.
This is like my heart horse, this one, so I always wanted him to get like a really great adjustment. He's only been here, you know, for several months now, and he's been through a lot. Felt like he was in so much pain, so just to see like the relief that you just gave him is like amazing. So
Well, thank you.
thank you.